Students, now we will discuss blood vessels. Blood vessels are thin tubes which run throughout our body like a network. So these blood vessels, they run throughout our body and they are tube-like structures. There are three parts of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries and veins. The three types of blood vessels are arteries, veins and capillaries. Now you must know what are arteries. The arteries are those blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to all parts of our body. That means the pure blood from the heart is carried by the arteries to all parts of our body. Then we have the veins. What is the work of the veins? The work of the veins is to carry blood from all parts of our body to the heart. So, the impure blood is carried by the veins and the pure blood from the heart is carried by the arteries. In between the arteries and veins, we have a network of small tube-like structures, as you can see in this diagram, and these fine tubes are called capillaries. The veins and arteries are connected to each other by the capillaries, and all the exchange of gases, nutrients and other substances are done in the capillaries. So as you can see, both arteries and veins branch off to form very fine tubes called capillaries. So these capillaries, they are very fine tubes, and these capillaries connect arteries to the veins. And capillaries are the smallest of the blood vessels. As you can see it over here in the diagram, the capillaries are the smallest of the blood vessels, and all exchange of gases, nutrients or waste take place through the capillaries. You can see in the diagram in your book also on page number 70. There is a diagram of blood vessels. You can see we have the arteries, we have the veins and the capillaries. The veins carry the impure blood from all parts of our body to the heart, and then when the heart purifies the blood, this pure blood is carried to all parts of our body through the arteries. And arteries and veins are connected to each other through capillaries, and all exchange of gases, nutrients or waste take place in capillaries. So this was all about the heart, blood and blood vessels. Please go through this video once again and clear your doubts. So I am repeating it once again. There are three parts of the blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. The function of the arteries is to carry blood to all parts of the body from the heart. So if it is carrying the blood to all parts of the body from the heart, that means it will carry the pure blood. And the work of the veins is to carry blood from all parts of the body to the heart. That means it will carry the impure blood from all parts of the body and reach this impure blood to the heart. And then arteries and veins are connected to each other with the capillaries. Capillaries are very fine tubes and they are the smallest blood vessels. All the exchange of gases, nutrients or waste take place in blood vessels. All of you students, please, you will draw the diagram of the blood vessels in your science notebook on the left side of your notebook. I hope the different parts of the circulatory system is clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day.